Okay.
Hey!
Oh, now that's what I'm talking about.
Whoa.
Why are you laughing so much?
That's some serious smoke. Oh, get low. Ah.
I'm going inside. Okay, bye.
Whoa.
That's really cool, though.
That's amazing. Just don't breathe into plastic.
Well, the combination is amazing.
Just don't breathe into burnt plastic. You'll be fine.
Dad, stop. I'm showing this to my class.
God, this whole...
Look out, Emma's coming at you. Emma,
Covers the
that's a lot of
sky.
bad smoke. Get out of there. Nope, and I gotta get out now.
Emma, you have to actually move.
Whoa. Oh man, don't breathe that junk. Wow. Just want to make sure it's not gonna like cook the whole thing.
Well, I think your
I think
cooking
it's already
part
gone.
is finished.
Good.
Dude, the hole's bigger.
Exactly, have a bigger hole now.
Yeah.
You may need to like put another tube in for
Well,
the.
I can do that. I've got another tube.
Wait, did you use the golfer one? The gopher?
That thing is smoking unbelievably. Right?
I think it's amazing.
I know. It's definitely better than I expected. It's hilarious.
Guys, but when I'm playing this video, I'm gonna make